Alright guys, so in this video we are going to be playing, actually I don't know what kind of game we're going to be playing, but I think we're going to go with this air horn one, because I haven't really showed kids this, so we're just going to do, we're just going to go through all the horns and see what they sound like. So, a friend maker. Okay, good O1 horn. Alright, cool. Troublemaker. What? Open the air horn microphone. This mode, there's an air horn that hears anything. At all times. On phones, yeah. Alright, so I guess we can't do this one. So, NL no, whatever. Let's try it. Alright. Red Beauty. Huh? Okay. It's kind of like a, I don't know. Alright, no more of that. Alright, Captain Friendmaker. God, shut up, man. Just shut up. Shut up. Multi-horn. Alright, it said on that thing, which is true. I really want attention. Okay. Vivizela. Not a friend maker. Alright, that's really annoying. A train maker. Is that a train? Inside of a school? Alright, I see. I heard enough. Danger horn. Okay. A game over horn. The basketball game is now about to end. There we go. Whoopee cushion. Oh, okay. Alright, so I guess that's it. I guess that's all of the horns. So I'm gonna end this video here. If you liked it, comment, like, and or subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, goodbye.